I'm an NRI husband. I got married to an Indian woman, and now I want to get a divorce from her. And now Amish has told me on earlier occasions that I should be filing for divorce in India instead of filing for divorce in the country of residence. Can I file my divorce in India while I am abroad? Earlier, it used to be very difficult to do so because a lot of courts around the country, apart from, say, the metropolitan cities, used to insist on the personal presence of the party. But since COVID times, they've had a lot more flexibility, and I would say 90% of the times, depending on which jurisdiction, Delhi, it's a breeze. Majority of metropolitan cities, it's a breeze. Some smaller towns, it can be a little bit of a problem. But on most days, you're able to, and what you have to do is you have to, print on the affidavits, the wakalatnama, all the documents that the lawyer is going to send you. You print them, sign them, get them notarized in your local country of residence. You dispatch it via speed post to the local lawyer in the city. He files it, and most likely you will not be required to appear for several about 8 to 15 hearings stretched over 6 months to perhaps 5 years. The only time you'll have to appear in person on most occasions is when you have to testify in the court. Sometimes it can be super quick, sometimes it can take a lot of time, but you can at least start off the process without you having to be in the country. However, having said that, I always tell Indian husbands, and perhaps I've talked on other occasions, but you've not seen that, so I must mention, for a husband in India, I've mentioned it on 100 other videos, it is not a good idea to just file for divorce. It's better to file your cases, civil and criminal remedies in law, if you're a victim of anything like extortion, intimidation, defamation, harassment, beating, or anything else. And for some of these cases, yes, physical presence is required. Some of these cases also physical presence is not required depending upon your situation. Another thing is your family members, your parents, your brother, sister, if they're victims of any of these aforementioned things, they can also avail of their legal remedies while they're in India. So these are things that you can do instead of thinking, oh, let me file in my residence country, or thinking that when I come to India, then I'll file, or etc., etc. There are a lot of, moldable things which are possible, which are available to you.